So, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, anywhere you may be all over the world. My name is Oluwatosin Maja. I'm a chartered accountant and I'm the managing partner of Close John Consulting. So, we have a very major breaking news for you now as we speak, because businesses have been reaching out to us, of course, concerning their business compliances. And this major breaking news is to quickly prevent some business from being permanently struck off from CAC register because of their non-compliance with annual filing. Remember that when you register your business, within the 18 months of incorporation, you must do what we call annual return filing. So this annual return filing is to enable CAC to keep track of every businesses that have been registered in Nigeria, and to also know whether the business is still alive or is no longer in operation. So these are the very important reason why CAC wants every businesses to do their annual filing once it is 18 months of incorporation. So we've seen firsthand when we are doing, some business annual return filing, that there are some businesses that have been totally struck off from the CAC register. So that's why we are bringing you this very important breaking news on CAC removal of inactive businesses, which is currently ongoing. So for you to take a quick action, so you might need to quickly reach out to us to help you do your annual return filing. If your business is 18 months since you register, is 18 months, it is now time for you to do your annual returns filing. And if you have not done it, you need to do it now before it will be permanently removed from the register of the Corporate Affairs Commission. So from the research we conducted and why we are doing the annual return filings too, we also saw it that the Corporate Affairs Commission has actually, based on the circular that they have released on the 28th of July 2025, which is like 90 days or thereabouts. So they gave businesses 90 days to do their annual returns filing. And if they don't, of course, they don't have any other option than to remove those businesses from the register of the commission. So that's why we are bringing you this major breaking news. So the reason for striking off, so you can see for yourself, failure to file annual returns, primary reason for many companies being struck off. So that is the reason. Failure, if you fail to file your annual returns after 18 months of incorporation, you will definitely be removed from the register of the commission. Prolonged inactivity. So your annual filing shows that your business is alive, is still active, right? But if you don't file it, it will be inactive, and then they will remove it from the register. The non-compliance with the CAMA 2020, so Company and Allied Matter Act, that's the law guiding businesses in Nigeria. So if you don't comply with it, any non-compliances to this CAMA 2020 will leave the commission with no other option than to remove the business from their register. Then what are the consequences? Grave consequences. The company loses its legal status and the right to carry on business unless it is restored by the court. That is a very tedious route to go through, because you fail to do the necessary thing that you're supposed to do on a yearly basis. This is not even monthly basis, it's on an annual basis, which you're supposed to comply with. The business name can be taken by another person. Definitely, if you have been struck off permanently, another person can take over the name and register it and start using it. So all the credibility, all the reputation, all what you have done for years will be taken by another person legally. The business will not be able to access services like loan facilities from financial institutions, because Banks are now aware, credit institutions are now aware that they need to verify, check whether this business is actually active, is actually registered or not before they can be able to grant any request or even give you any audience at all. Then what should you now do in this case? If your business is still active, file all the outstanding annual returns to avoid being struck off. You have to file up to date. If you have been registered since 2020, you only file 2020 and 2021. What about the remaining years? You need to file it up to date. So you need to reach out to us. We are accredited licensed CAC agents and we help you to file your annual returns up to date and prevent any struck off from the commission. If your business has already been struck off, that's a sorry situation. You will need to apply to the Federal High Court to have it restored. It's a long thing. You have to hire a lawyer. That's a very expensive one. You have to pay for lawyer and everything to restore your business back. So a stitch in time saves 9. So you need to quickly reach out to us if you have not filed your annual returns at all. And if your annual return have been filed but is not yet up to date, you need to quickly reach out to us. And if you go online, you check that your business is inactive, is a warning sign for you. So quickly reach out to us. Like, subscribe, share this video to all business owners all over Nigeria and all over the world to reach out to us. So we are rooting for your business. We are your reliable and trusted business support partner, and we want you to be compliant, so you can reach out to us any day, anytime from all of our social media platforms on this YouTube, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, that's X, on TikTok. We are everywhere. You can also visit our website. You can contact us on call and on WhatsApp. So we are willing and more than ready to help you, carry out all your business compliances. So until we meet again in another video, please ensure that you are compliant. Thank you very much.